A very important question. What we have to prove? Sine 10 degree, sine 15 degree, sine 60 degree, sine 70 degree is equal to root 3 by 16. Now, left hand side, starting from the left hand side, sine 10 degree, sine 15 degree, sine 60 degree, sine 70 degree. Now this becomes sine 10 degree, sine 50 degree. Now sine 60 degree we are having, sine 60 degree is equal to root 3 by 2. Okay. So in place of sine 60 degree it is root 3 by 2 and then sine 70 degree. Just follow the steps. Okay. Now root 3 by 2 sine 10 degree, sine 15 degree, sine 70 degree. Root 3 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 2 sine 10 degree, sine 50 degree. Now this I am taking in one bracket and sine 70 separate, sine 70 degree. Now why I have written so? Because we have to apply a formula here. Now the formula we are applying is what? 2 sine A, 2 sine A sine B. It is what? It is cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. Is it clear? So here we are applying this formula. Now this becomes root 3 by 4 cos 10 degree minus 50 degree negative of cos 10 degree plus 50 degree and sine 70 degree as it is. Okay. Now further this becomes root 3 by 4 cos negative 40 degree cos 60 degree sine 70 degree. Now again cos minus 40 degree is equal to cos 40 degree and cos 60 degree is what? 1 by 2. Again applying these two values in the question. Now this becomes root 3 by 4 cos 40 degree 1 by 2 sine 70 degree. Root 3 by 4 cos 40 degree sine 70 degree minus root 3 by 8 sine 70 degree. Is it clear? Now just making two different steps. Okay. Now root 3 by 4, now this part, sorry, it will be root 3 like this thing. Okay, already I have multiplied by 1 by 2, root 3 by 8 I have already written here. Okay, so solving this part first. Now root 3 by 4 times 1 by 2 with 2 cos 40 sine 70, cos 40 degree sine 70 degree. First thing, multiply divided by 2, negative of root 3 by 8 sine 70 degree. Now again using the formula, now we are having 2 cos A sin B, 2 cos A sin B. Now this is equal to sin A plus B and plus sin A minus B. Now we are using this formula, okay? And we can write it the highest value of the angle first. So this becomes root 3 by 8 with 2 sin 70 cos 40 degree root 3 by 8 sin 70 degree. Now applying the formula, applying this formula, it becomes root 3 by 8 sin 70 plus 40 plus sin 70 minus 40 degree. One thing, negative of root 3 by 8 sin 70 degree. Okay. Now root 3 by 8 sin 110 degree plus sin 30 degree minus root 3 by 8 sin 70 degree. Okay. Now value for sin 30 degree. Now sin 30 is what? Sin 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. Now this becomes root 3 by 8 sin 110 degree plus 1 by 2 minus root 3 by 8 sin 70 degree. Okay. Now this further this becomes root 3 by 8. Now sin 110 degree, what we can write it? 180 minus 70 plus 1 by 2 root 3 by 8 sin 70 degree. Okay. So now sin 180 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Applying this formula, what we are having? We are having root 3 by 8 sin 70 degree plus root 3 by 16 minus root 3 by 8 sin 70 degree. This becomes root 3 by 16 is equal to right hand side. Okay. So we are getting root 3 by 16. Here is root 3 by 16. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence proved.